guys, I got some stuff here that I'm going to unbox for my 2025 gardening. The size of the seedling heat mat is 10 by 20 inches. This is the controller. You have to turn it. The instructions for using the heat mat and warning are printed on the mat itself. Sample seeds and the ideal temperature, a number of germination days. Says here adjustable heat range from 50 to 108 degrees Fahrenheit, but it doesn't tell you the range. This thing is broken. I ordered this from Walmart. I'll try to return it later. Gosh, not good. Because this thing was not packed like this one that was put in a bag. It was just packed in this envelope. Not good. This was on sale, so I ordered just two because I was thinking of buying those starting seedling tray. There's no problem with this thing. Because the packaging was splendid. This is the 20 row seedling flat or tray. Nice. I can use the water tray from this seed starting kit for my 20 row seedling flat. The packet has description whether the plant is annual or perennial and the number of weeks if you want to start them indoors before last frost. The ideal temperature for the plant. The distance and the height of the plant and the germination days. These are the seeds that I have ordered. I bought more stuff directly from the stores, not online. Kindly subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Have a prosperous 2025.